Hi guys, welcome back again. We all know how expensive olive oil is. If you are to purchase the commercially made olive oil, it's quite expensive. Sometimes it's even hard to get the 100% virgin olive oil. So I will be showing you how you can produce your own olive oil at home with your simple kitchen tools. First of all, what you need for the production of olive oil is your olive fruit. So I'm using the ripe olive fruit. This is the ripe one. It looks dark. You can also use the green olive fruit, which is the unripe one. To produce the oil, you can use the ripe olive fruit or the unripe olive. If you're the type that uses olive oil very well, maybe on your skin, face and hair, you will need to watch this video to the end to see how the oil is made. After watching the video, I'm sure you will love to make your own olive oil at home. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to start by rinsing these fruits. I'm going to bring the olive fruits into a bowl of water. I'm just going to add enough water to cover this. Then I'll use my hand to rub the fruit to make sure I remove sand or any dust. Now I'm washing it into another bowl. As you're rinsing the fruits, if you notice anyone that has gone bad, just take it out. After washing this, you can bring this into a colander to drain out excess water. Now I'm going to pour some warm water over the olive. The water is not too hot. Okay. This will enable me to remove the pits from the olives. Okay. So after soaking this, I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes, but I'll be touching it just to check if the olive is soft enough to remove the seed. So let's leave it there. After leaving this in warm water, I didn't actually reach 15 minutes, just in 10 minutes time. It's already ready. Let me show you that it's ready. You can easily pull up the seed. See? Makes it easy. Mind you, I didn't use hot water, it's just warm water. If you soak this in hot water, it's not going to peel up again. It will be very difficult to pull it out. So we are going to strain out the water. Okay, now we are going to peel off the skin from the. You can either use a knife or your hand to pull this. If you're using your hands, make sure your hands are clean first before you handle this. Okay, I think it's easier this way. I'm done separating the flesh from the nuts. Here are the nuts. I'm going to discard this. We are going to be working with this. Now we are going to crush this. So you can use a meat tenderizer or you can just bring this into your blender, add a little water to crush it. In lukewarm water to this. Cold water will still do, just a little water to aid the blending process. Now I'm going to blend this a few times until it turns to a smooth paste. Okay, here is a thick paste I've gotten. I'm going to turn it into a bowl. I find out some people heat this up, but once it's heated, the nutrients and the vitamin and the taste of the oil will be reduced. That's the oil. So we are going to strain this. Okay, so now I'm going to pour out the contents over a cheesecloth, but I'm just going to use my hands to squeeze this. I'm going to be exerting a little force as I squeeze to allow the water, the oil and the slurry to pass through. Okay, so as you are squeezing this, you could notice these traces of oil. I think I'm done squeezing everything, so I'm not going to throw away this paste yet. I'm going to bring it back into the bowl. We just want to make sure we've extracted everything from it. I'll just add a little cold water to this to mix it again. Just want to make sure we are able to extract the oil from this before throwing away the paste. I'll just bring this into the cheesecloth and squeeze it the second time. Okay, so I'm done. I'm going to discard this. Okay, so we are done straining this. Now I'm going to bring this into another bowl. You could notice the oil floating on top. Gently transfer this. Now we are going to allow this to settle down. The oil is going to separate from the water by solidifying. Then you'll be able to scoop this out. Okay, so once you leave this in the fridge, there'll be a separation. I have the oil on the top, which is this thin line, the water, and then the olive juice. Okay, so once you leave this in the fridge, there'll be a separation. So I have the oil on the top, which is this thin line, the water, and the olive juice that was extracted along with the water and the oil. So now I didn't really leave this for long. I just left it for like 20 minutes, so it's not really frozen. So you can leave yours for as long as you want. On the upper layer is frozen, so you'll be able to scoop this out. So I'm just going to use a spoon to remove this layer, which is the oil. You can easily melt this. Okay, so I'm done scooping up the oil. So this is what we've got. There's still oil here. It will take time to scoop this, so I'm not going to be bothered about that. Now I'm going to just leave this in a warm place to melt. Then I'll show you the final result. Okay guys, your olive oil is ready. From that huge olive fruit, this is the only quantity of oil I got. It's quite small. I think you can now see it for yourself why olive oil is expensive, especially the virgin olive oil, because I think it's because of the process of extracting this. And at the end of the day, even after extracting this, you just get only a little quantity. Let me know what you think about homemade olive oil. Will you love to buy it from the store, or you prefer to make it at home? Leave your suggestion on the comment section below. Thank you guys for staying all through this video. See you soon. Have a nice time. Bye.